Hi everyone and welcome to the Organized Notebook. If you're new here, our channel is all about digital productivity with a focus on Notion. In this video, we wanted to show you our monthly reset and planning process, including our monthly freebies. We'll be covering some behind the scenes aspects like our YouTube growth, our downloadable product statistics, as well as upcoming live events, launches, and more. If you find this useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So the first thing we'll be doing is sharing how to use our freebies to change up the look for March. And this is what we really like to do every month just to make a different feel for the month and feel refreshed. So if we go to monthly freebie, you'll see all of our current freebies available for the March of 2024. And we have a bunch of desktop wallpapers and so on for your phone, as well as dedicated folder icons. So be sure to simply click here and download these freebies. So after you download the freebies, you can go to any Notion page. And in this case, we're going to be changing up the look of our daily, weekly, monthly planner by going to change cover and upload. And here you can add the file for the cover photo, and we'll be going with this one. And the next thing we like to do is change our icon. So we're going to click the icon and add a custom icon from our folder collection for the freebies as well by clicking upload file. So now we have a custom cover photo and icon. And the next thing we're going to do is just change up the color scheme here as well. So we're going to change the color into green to match March. And one more thing we're going to be doing is just changing our desktop, and it's already changed now, but we just wanted to show you how to change your folder icons if you're on Mac. So now if you're in your desktop, you can simply go to any folder and click Control click, and you can go to Get Info. And once you're in Get Info, you can simply drag your folder file into the folder slot. So for example, here we could simply drag this in here like this and change the color. So the last thing we're going to do is simply change the name here to March 2024 to update this page. And then we're ready to start our monthly reset and review. So the first thing we're going to do is check what we did in February 2024 and what kind of goals we set. So we're going to go ahead and open that. So here it says that we wanted to introduce new tools outside of Notion, which we managed to do because we actually posted some videos about OneNote as well as Akiflow. And if you haven't checked that out, be sure to check those out. And we did 3 live events in February, which was really great. And we were so excited to meet you all, and live events are really wonderful for us. Then in February, we said that we would launch a finance tracker Notion template, and we certainly did that as well. So this is also ticked off. And then we said that we wanted to increase engagement with the community. And we feel like this is something that we could work a bit more on for March. So we're going to not tick this one off, but leave that for March. And mainly this means that we kind of want to meet more of you all and have more conversations with the community. So we're hoping that we could maybe do some kind of Q&A session at some point as well, sort of like an office hour. So stay tuned for that. So now we're ready to reflect on February 2024. So if we go to our end of month reflection, we can talk about how did it go, what could be better, favorite moments, what do you want to do differently next month, and did you do everything you wanted? So in the end of month reflection, what we like to do is examine all of our statistics that from YouTube to our product downloads. And this is something that we also wanted to share with you all. So although we're still quite small on YouTube, it's still really exciting to see the progress we've made in YouTube. So let's first check that out. So these are some of our statistics from February, and we're so happy with how much we've grown this month. And in general, everything has been great. Thank you to those who've subscribed. It's really a huge help to us. One of the biggest surprises for us was this video called Unleash Your Productivity with Time Blocking Notion Planner, because we managed to get 10K views in a really short amount of time. And It seems to be that many people have found this video through Google. So it's definitely something that we're keeping in mind now to make sure that our titles and descriptions are search engine optimized. Otherwise, a lot of our other videos have been from the past month, so not necessarily from February. So it's also nice to see that those are also continuing to grow, keep getting views, so that our sort of base of tutorials and live events are still being viewed by everyone. And we also wanted to take a look a bit of what could have been better. So we did post last month a more sort of personal video, which was our trip to Barcelona, and that didn't do as well. So we're thinking that maybe it's better to stick purely to tutorials rather than sort of how we use Notion in our daily life, for example. So we've kind of been trying more leaning towards pure informational content, sort of app reviews. So for example, this one was Notion versus OneNote, and we feel like this was really interesting for many of you all watching. So we're really happy about that as well. Then the next statistics we like to look at is our downloads on Gumroad. So we usually import all of our data every month just to check what products have done well and what has been more successful than others. So as you can see, our book library reading journal has always been one that many people download, and we're really happy that it's continuing to get downloads, as well as our digital journal Notion template Build With Me tutorial. So this one also seems to be quite popular. And the time blocking Notion template has also been really big, and this is why we decided to do a more concrete version called the Ultimate Time Blocking Notion template. So we're so excited that we were able to launch that last month, and it's just been a really great addition to our template library and store. So we're really happy with that as well. And some surprises would be that there has also been some downloads for our PDFs. So that has been also nice because we made these a long time ago, our digital printable meal journal, and it's nice to see that people are downloading them. So what do you want to do differently next month? We were thinking that since the personal video didn't do as well, maybe more concrete tutorials and app reviews would be really nice, and venturing into more different digital tools outside of Notion, although we really like Notion. And did you do everything you wanted? We think that we pretty much did everything that we planned to do in February, so we're really happy with that. So now let's go ahead and add a new monthly plan, which is going to be for March 2024. And we're going to add an end date, so March 1st to March 31st. And we're going to go ahead and open this one up, and we're going to choose new monthly planner entry. So here are some of our goals this month. So as we mentioned in February, we want to increase more engagement with our audience. And this could come in the form of giveaways and also maybe more personal Q&A session, personal live Q&A. So we might do something like open up a Zoom for an hour and people can just come and go. And that could be a fun way to meet the audience as well. Then we're planning to do 3 live events this month. So we hope that we can do that, as well as launch a few products. So we're planning to launch maybe 3 products or upgrades. And then the final goal we have for this month is just to stay consistent. And also one big thing we're trying to do is to move off of Gumroad. So we're going to actually try to move off of Gumroad by the end of this month. So move off of Gumroad, and we hope that this could provide a better experience for everyone, even if you're just downloading freebies or accessing our tutorials. It's just been that our website has been quite slow, so we hope that we can move off of Gumroad and sort of redesign our website in a way that's better for everyone. So now let's go ahead and take a look at our this month's schedule, and we're going to open this up in full page. So the first thing we're going to be adding is our Ultimate Finance Tracker launch, and this just launched, so be sure to keep an eye on that if you're interested. And this is a product, and we're really excited for this finance tracker. It has so many features and we're so proud of it, so we're really happy that we were able to finish it by today. And the other things that are coming up is on Monday, we will have a video of our template tour. So finance tracker template tour. And this is going to be a video. And then on the 12th, we'll have a live event about finance tracking with Notion. And this is something that we actually had to delay a bit. We were planning to do it last month, but because our product was taking a bit more time with the Ultimate Finance Tracker, we decided to delay it and make sure that the Ultimate Finance Tracker was really good. So we're going to instead do this on the 12th. So we hope to see you all there. And then the other thing we're going to be doing is upgrading our travel journal Notion template. And we're really excited to add more features to this and just use everything that Notion has upgraded so far. There's been so many like button upgrades and so on. So the travel journal could be a nice place to upgrade. And then on the 19th, we'll be doing an event on travel journaling with Notion. And I'm sure many of you might be planning your vacation soon, so this could be perfect. And after that, we're going to be having a meal planning live event and showing you all how to meal plan using Notion. And then our big launch is going to be at the end of the month. And we've seen so many templates out there for client portals. So we think that it could be a really good template to create for everyone. And we're planning to hopefully do that by the 29th. So we'll be trying to make a client portal with Notion. And it's also something that we've also been using with our clients. So this is going to be a template that we're really excited to work on. So this is sort of the basic overview of our month schedule. Of course, some things might change, but mainly we really hope to see you all at the live event so that we can interact in real time. And maybe in one of these weeks, we'll also do sort of a Q&A live thing on Zoom so that it's a little bit more personal. And if we go back, we can see our calendar reflected here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to grab the freebie in the description below, as well as check out our daily, weekly, monthly planner if you're interested. We'd love to know if you have any apps or tutorials you'd like us to cover. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to let us know, and we hope to see you in the next video.